up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change.
Hey guys, I am back again, and this time around, we and my babe, we are preparing to go to the Eiffel Tower.
Yes, ma'am.
That's she speaking. She's not a camera type, and I got her. So guys, I'm so excited. We are going out to the Eiffel Tower to also see how the Eiffel Tower looks at night.
Can you show your nails? They're so cute. Oh my god.
Sorry I didn't show my nail for some of you guys who might have been interested.
Have you shown your hair, the length? Oh my god. Girl.
This is my babe. She's so sweet. Oh, and she's a Nigerian. I will also come up one day with a video about a foreigner's perspective about Nigerians.
Dang.
Stay tuned. I have been to Niger.
By herself.
I'm going to be talking about out of experience. Yeah.
Badass. By herself, guys. Wow.
Okay, guys. So we are going out to the Eiffel Tower.
Hell yeah.
Catch you soon.
Is that peanut roasted? Boom, roasted. Hey. See excitement. Yeah. Hey. All right, we are ready to buy.
What did we just find?
Can you tell we are excited?
What did we just find? Like this? Serious?
Babes, I could smell it. I was telling you, come. I smell it, come.
You
were
get
like,
no
where?
You get no.
You smell this thing?
You were telling me come. I was like, why is this girl taking me?
Smell
I don't smell
I
them.
didn't say you get cold coming.
Something I buy them.
Something they come. Hey, yeah, sorry, baby. This thing is strong. I said God roasted corn. How much, sir?
C'est combien?
Oh, second. Why is he opening something? How much? We go through today.
Wow.
How much? How much? €1. No. For one? No. 2 for €1.
C'est €1 combien? €1. So 1 for €1.
Eh? For what? No.
Come on, I leave
What
it
do you
like
mean,
this
come on?
business.
No. For what?
You hide and they will change.
Yeah, now, alright. Well. Okay. Give us 2. And how much for peanut? 1. How much for peanut? This man is here making his money. Jeje. Ah.
So I make sure I don't sleep with makeup. It's very important. I always take it out. See this? Because I'm always in for natural beauty, so I make sure that my face is at its best because I'm mostly out without makeup. I just wash my face, apply my facial cream, and that's good to go. I'm so very low now because my friend is sleeping. She's asleep. Yeah, take it out. Take it out completely. Cut everything. Taking care of my face. Like, yeah, so I concentrate more on taking care of my face. So yeah, just these two and you are good to go. So yeah. Yeah. So we're going to take breakfast now and then shall be heading over to the iPhone tower.
Remember I messaged you and I said, are you sure? I put 65 in. Is that correct?
That's why I took zero and I was like, no. See, guys, I also be giving tips sometimes on budget vacation. You don't need to spend so much when going on vacation. There are some tips I'm going to be giving you guys. Things you should consider when going on vacation, or if you want to reduce your cost when you're going on vacation. There are so many tips you can consider. We didn't want dinner inclusive because we wanted to taste Paris food, the French type of food. We had dinner yesterday. It was so delicious. You don't even demand, you will not believe how much we spent for this vacation, 2 days vacation in Paris. Flight inclusive, train inclusive. My friend coming from the UK all the way here, and then we met here. Exactly. Yeah. What you always see, you need to see something new, experience new cultures, meet new people. Just walking and talking to people is enough, not by making many friends. No. You know, when we talk about friends, we talk about quality people.
That's how we met.
Ah! That's it.
You know, you were asking me, why do I do solo traveling? Babe, if I didn't do solo traveling, I would never meet you.
What am I even saying? That's how I met. Guys, that's how I met her. In Gran Canaria, an island in Spain. Yeah. Ah, she was so amazing. She was so friendly. She walked up to us like someone that had that had known us. She walked up to us like someone that had known us for years.
That was the best.
I know. We were just walking by the riverside, and then here comes this beautiful girl. Hi, girls. Are you guys on vacation? That's how she was.
No. Let me tell the story the same way. But what I said that day was, hola, and you guys went, hola, and we hugged.
So, makeup time. I have to tell.
To play today.
I have never made up like that though. Can you imagine? See my first time, I'm just mixing the colors. See that I should match my pulley, but it's not bad.
Not bad at all. It's really nice.
Huh?
It's nice.
I tried,
it's
right?
Brave. I wouldn't do it. But it's brave, it works.
I'm bored. much are those phones? They're combien? Les autres là. Combien?
Ça c'est 10 euros.
10 euros.
10. Oui, 10.
10 euros.
10
10 euros. C'est les...
Ah non mais moi je trouve le métro, moi je suis descendu chez moi là. Ah mais
Straight now. This is lovely, yeah. This is good quality.
What am I seeing?
The famous Ivory Tower.
The eye catcher.
The one and only.
Not be
The
so.
Omega of Paris.
No, really the...
That was a shocker. I didn't expect that. God damn. This is where we came. Oh God. Hey, God. Come to my video, please. What a beauty.
La mise est encore plus mal. On a bien vu la petite. Faites du bruit. Sautez, let's go.
So guys, we are going to take breakfast now, and we shall be heading over to the Eiffel Tower. What are you doing?
I don't want to show. Strategy. I have sense now. Small sense. Not much.